How you doing, guys? And welcome back. And yep, like you see, everything is off. The doors, the roof, I'm ready to go because it's another beautiful sunny day here in Miami, Florida. And also got invited to a truck and Jeep meet down in Homestead that is a family event and also is a fundraiser for kids with cancer. And as you can see, Fresquito is getting comfortable because he's already 15 and he's already studying to get his restricted. And he says that the Jeep is his future vehicle. We'll see about that. Because like you guys noticed, it is my favorite vehicle too. To me, it's like driving a side-by-side, street legal. As you can see, I am really enjoying the ride. I don't know about Olguita because you know how women are with their hairs, but she doesn't complain, so I take it she likes it too. But now we're heading down to the Palmetto to go down south. And as you can see, the day is beautiful and it's pretty cool. It's about 72 degrees, so it makes it a perfect ride. And one of the reasons, well, I guess it's the same reason why I like boating, jet skiing, and going on the Jeep is because I love to feel the wind in my face. This is our first time here. I don't really know if this is a park or a private property, so we had to kind of wait around and get guided in because I didn't really know where to park. But like you guys can see, there's a big turnout with the whole family. They even brought the dog. We should have brought Yuli. Alright, so we just made it here to a Miami Jeep car show here. Show some love and support. And as you can see right away, they have a lot of Jeeps, also trucks, and even antique cars. And this caught my eye right away, a 2005 Chevy Tahoe with a cool rim setup and a beautiful paint scheme. And here we have a beautiful antique Chevy truck that I don't really know the year, but I'm gonna guess, I'll say in the 1950s. And as you can see, they try to keep everything original except for the rims. And the truck got lowered. And like you notice, here's another beautiful Chevy antique truck, but this one had bullet holders on the dash. And yes, even Olguita was amazed how good these trucks were. And yes, she fell in love with this one. Now, can you guys tell me why? If you guys have been following us for a while, you're gonna know the answer right away. Go ahead and leave it in the comments. Now this is interesting. They had sausages. And like you notice, this is a very well family oriented event. Owning a Jeep doesn't mean go mudding all the time. You can also attend events like these and help out for a good cause. Here's a Jeep that caught my attention. A really nice Jeep Wrangler with a very nice Fox suspension. And yep, like you notice, she liked this one too. And also you're gonna notice the later it got during the day, the better the turnout. So I was really happy for the event organizers that they did this for a good cause. Where's the donation?
That's where you get
The donation.
donation.
Yeah, it's donation.
You don't want to get tickets? You sure?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank
Let me
you.
give you one of these, honey. So you don't lose your keys.
Oh, okay. And in events like this, you kind of lose track of time because there's so many creative Jeeps and different schemes. Now, this is something really cool by owning a Jeep. You could customize it to your liking. And here we got another beautiful Wrangler, and I take it he likes alligators, or he has a pet, or he goes hunting. Now here is something that caught everybody's eye, because it's one of those things that go big or go home. And I think this is an ex-military vehicle, like a transfer truck or a supply truck. And here we have another ex-military vehicle. It's a Humvee or H1 converted to a private use street vehicle. And with all the good smells in the air of food, you gotta taste some. And if you guys know what Gabby's having, let me know. And all this food going around and drinks, I had to grab me something. So I had a mango frosty. That, like usual, nobody wants, but yet when you buy it, everybody drinks. So we had a good time here, walking around and looking at the nice cars and trucks and meeting new people. But it's about that time. It's time to go because the hunger starting to kick in, and we decided to go to one of our favorite places, and you guys are coming along. Now I'm starting to feel old-fashioned. A good old-fashioned car show and a good old-fashioned hamburger. Except the 1 pounder, I don't think that's old-fashioned. So the day turned out pretty good. We got to cruise around with the Jeep with no doors and no roof and enjoy the cool weather. And we got to see nice cars and trucks that all the donations were donated for a good cause. And now we had a great big giant burger. Let's go.